Hello traders, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be looking at the Super Hedge expert advisor for MetaTrader 5, and this one is a hedge and martingale system for XAUUSD and all symbols that promises flexible recovery with MA trend filtering. We'll break everything down in this video to ensure you get the full picture, so ensure you watch to the end. And according to the developer, who is Trinh Viet Tang from Vietnam, this expert advisor goes for 499 US dollars, which is approximately 500 US dollars. It doesn't have any reviews, there are no comments, and it was last updated on 25th of September 2021. Now, the Super Hedge EA uses a hedge plus martingale method combined with moving average trend direction. It also works across all symbols with customizable multi-time frame setups, higher time frame for trend, intermediate for opening orders, and lower for bar checks. Example include daily, the 4-hour and the 1-hour, down to 1 hour, the 5 minutes and the 1 minute configurations. The system opens initial positions in the trend direction, then it hedges and grids when price moves against it to recover the basket. You can adjust take profit 1 for the first order, take profit combo for the whole basket, and maximum orders and maximum grid orders. It's presented as simple to run once attached. And just run the expert. This is exactly what they say. Also, it has a focus on recovery and adaptability rather than dangerous unlimited exposure. Now let's look at the key inputs and settings, features that matter with this Super Hedge expert advisor. It is the multi-time frame structure that can be adjusted. Also, then we have the moving average based trend filter. We also have the hedge recovery logic, the configurable take profit levels, and the other grid limits for control. It emphasizes ease of use and flexibility across any symbol while letting users tune the aggressiveness through those max order settings. The max grid order buy or sell and the max total order. Now I use the default settings to run this my backtest. I backtested the Super Hedge expert advisor on MetaTrader 5 on gold on the 1 hour time frame, and it was from June 2025 to June 2026 on a $10,000 account, and I used the default settings and inputs from the developer as it came. But the results were not impressive. It totally wiped the account, completely wiped the account. We have minus $10,000 net profit, and the profit factor was 0.4. Despite a high win rate on individual trades, we had 80% win rate and over 1,589 trades in total, with big winners and even bigger losers. Yeah, the equity curve started relatively stable, had some ups and downs, and then we had a massive drawdown that took everything. And this is what happens with some grid and martingale strategies out there and expert advisors. One single loss or one situation where the market moves against the basket can end everything. We'll have the balance and the equity going all the way down to zero until the account is blown. It may seem like it's working properly initially, but then one single bad trade can take everything off. It started here in November 2025, and from there we didn't see the equity move back up to the balance until the account was blown entirely. So that's how it works when trying to take the balance, trying to recover the losses. and we have the grid and the martingale taking action here. That's exactly what is expected. Comparing this to the developer's claims of flexible recovery and hedge management, this is the harsh reality that these systems often hide. The thing is, the settings like the time frame layers, the moving average, open range, and the TP combo, and the max total order, and especially the max grid orders are what actually matter when it comes to this expert advisor. If you want to tune it, if you want to change some things, these are the things to change. These are the things to adjust to suit your risk appetite and also your preferences, your strategy when trading. But even with all of this, even with the default, the account still blue, and there's no arguing that. We can see it in the numbers here, and it's quite sad. It's disappointing. So my verdict for this expert advisor is that it's a classic hedge and martingale recovery expert advisor that can look promising until a strong move hits. Just like we saw, nuances will include the rapid basket expansion on volatile gold and the illusion of control from limits. The hidden risks are 100% drawdowns. We have the news events, the spread cost in grids, and the broker dependency. It's good for almost no one. Only ultra experienced traders with tiny risks and constant monitoring should, look into the super hedge. But beginners and anyone wanting account safety should definitely avoid it. Yeah, you should stay away from this if you're a beginner. If not, you get your account blown because you wouldn't know how to set it properly to suit your style. Now you should know that profit and drawdowns can differ depending on market conditions and position size or risks that the trader is using. Now if you want more real expert advice or reviews like this one, smash the like button and subscribe. Turn on notifications so you don't miss out on further expert advisor reviews like this, which will be dropping in a couple of days and months, and ensure you stay tuned to the channel. Now drop in the comments which expert advisor you want me to test next. Don't forget to grab that free Forex robot from the description. There are useful indicators and patterns included. Now try to safe out there. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.